First, I draw a wide blobbly spear shape for the ball of the foot, then a taller one for the heel. I recommend adding wrapping lines to the blobs if you're a beginner. This will help you gauge the mass of the foot. Connect the blobs on each side. It's usually a cylinder-like shape. Draw ovals or rounded boxes for the ends of the toes. The big toe is usually boxier than the other toes. Next, attach the toes to the foot, add a cylinder for the leg connection on the top, then protrude sharp points for the ankles off the leg. They look like triangles. Things to keep in mind. You need to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on more tutorials like this one. The ball of the foot is always wider and flatter than the heel. The inside of the ankle is always higher than the outside of the ankle. You can figure out which side is the inside of the foot real easy like. The big toe is always on the inside. For toes, the big toe is the same width as two other toes. To find the length of the toes, draw a line that slants backwards in an arcing manner towards the heel, making the big toe the longest and the baby toe the shortest. However, some people have longer middle toes than big toes. Also, joints make a staircase. Now, divide the foot into thirds, not counting the toes. The heel takes up 1/3, the arch takes up 1/3, and the ball of the foot takes up the last 1/3. Matter of fact, this is the easiest way I have come up with to draw feet, and is a method I personally use.